Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new, consider subscribing, like and share. We wake up early in the morning, you can see. We want to wash drinkers. We want to treat water using this and using this, you see. We'll use this to treat water and this help a lot. Let me show you guys. Help a lot. Yes, you can see here. See here guys. Here I think you can see they help us to 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 do this all of things, like to grow fast, more eggs, better, drying chick dropped, you see, less stress. So this help us, you can see. Yes, in case you want, you can go and buy and you can grow your chick. And this is the BioSafe, you can see the light BioSafe. This is which I used to put in water and I mix, and then after I mix I can wash the drinkers because I can get some virus, maybe some disease, so I must clean them using this BioSafe. After I clean them, so that I can mix my water with this chemical is nice, then I give to the chick. And this is for the treating water, it's called water guard. Yes, I must put, after I put everything, I know it is good. So guys, be tuned. Let me continue washing the drinkers first. After I finish, we continue. Be tuned, guys. Let me, you see? Yes. That is how we make work every day here, so that the chick can maybe have some when we clean this, we use biogas, we kill some germs, some virus. Yes, like this, guys. You see? But we don't clean feeders. We clean only. We don't clean feeders. We clean only drinkers. Yes, every day clean. Don't miss to clean because you can get disease, can make your chick to die. Yes, and when you clean, you make a good hygiene to your chick, so the chick, they will grow well, they will enjoy life. And you know, when you clean, you protect them from disease like diosis. You know diosis? Yes, you protect them from diosis and another many disease. Yes, guys. So let us maintain a high hygiene to our chick, so that we can get a nice. And you know, when you do this job every day, even sometimes you can say, let me give up. But when you give up, you'll be lost everything. So never give up. We get through difficult challenge, but we sit down and we solve, and we continue raising up the chick, so that at the end they will give us a nice result. You see? Yes, I put already BioSafe, and I clean. I believe my drinker are nice. After I clean, I arrange. Yes. After I clean, I arrange. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. So guys, I remain with 3 feeders, 3 drinkers so that I can finish, and I can mix this chemical with water. After I mix, so that we can consider another step. Be tuned, guys. Be tuned. See how I really wash the things. Let me finish. Let me finish first, and so that we can continue another step. Yes, guys. We must clean. This is must. Every day we wake up, we clean the feeders we treat water. After we treat, yes, guys. So you can see. Let me show you. You can see all of this. All of this we wash. You guys see? You see? All of this we wash, and now I want to treat our water. We treat like this is put 5 ml in every liter of water that your chick take to. You see? So 5 milliliter per 1 liter per liter. So like this is 1000 ml. So we'll put in 200 liters of water, and our chick consume 250 liters of water per day. But at morning we put 200 liters first. After they consume, we add another 50 liters, and we call a day. So let me start doing this job. Guys, as you can see, I am already opening, and I want to mix. You can see how they look. They look. Yes, they look like that. So this I will put in 200 liters of water. I mix. After I mix, I finish to wash the drinkers. I mix the medicine in water, so I'll go to feed the chick. Yes, guys. when I don't have medicine, I use only Crolin to mix my water and I give the chick. When I mix Crolin, I kill some virus in water so that when I give my chick, it is nice water for the chick. So let me go and feed the chick, guys. So you don't worry what it is going on. Yes, let's show you. This all is food already I put here, and you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, and I want to measure it. So I must measure. I have here the thing which helps me to measure food. The things of food, and you can see the chick and crying. After I measure, I'll give the chick and they will enjoy, guys. So be tuned, let me measure and we'll continue, guys. So guys, let me continue feeding them. After I finish, we'll be learning more, because you can hear they are crying because they need food. Yes, see how they cry. They need food, you see? They need food. Another here. They are needing food. They are needing food, guys. So when they need food, I must give them, because they cry. They make a lot of noise. And it is still morning, so let me give them food. So let's see. After I give them food, you'll never hear the sound because they will be enjoying. So let me put here and start giving them food. So you can be asking how you know the amount of food you give each chick. Now each chicken, each bird eat 77 grams. So here you have 300. So you can create 300 times 77. I get 23,100 grams. I change to kg. I get 23 grams. So I give in the bottom 23. But at morning I give this 15. At 2 a.m. I give them the remaining, which has remaining 8. Yes, after I give 8, I go to another. I can create, I give like that. So that is how I know each chick supposed to eat 77. After 77 will go 82. After 82, 85, 88 will reach 100. Yes, that is how we can create each gram. And when they increase, we increase even food. Yes, that is how we feed the chick. So like now you see, I was giving through this basket. In first step, I'll go to the yellow, because I don't want to even forget. So when I use this, I'll pick grade up, so I know when it come to enter inside, I give them. That is how I know, guys. So be tuned. time of red, I'll use here red to go up and feed. That is how we feed, and that is how at morning we work. Really, we work. At morning we work. Even you can see the sweat, we work. Yes, guys. And that is how we raise chick. And it's not 1 per week or 2 per week. It's 24 hours you must have here. You must see your chick, the progressing, the problem you solve. So you must sacrifice your time. First, sacrifice your time. And never be patient. You can laze. But when you say, let me laze the chick today so that maybe tomorrow I can harvest, nothing. You can wait even for more than 1.5 years so that you can get a nice profit, even 2 years, depending how you focus. Yes, as we started in 2024 May until now, you see we are putting the effort. We started with 150 and now we are far away, and we thank God for that. Let's go up and I feed the chick. We use this to climb. Yes, we use these stairs to climb until the up we feed, and then we come back. Yes, let's go. As you can see, the chick here are enjoying another inside. So let's go up and first to feed the chick. They will see how they are already in the door. They're waiting me. Eh? See how they are here. See how they are here. They are waiting food. So I must go inside and I give food first. After I give food, everything will be nice. So beautiful until the end. Wow. Beautiful until the end. I can put this here. All in here. You see well? Yes, I can put here so that I can give them food. Yes. You can see how they are enjoying, guys. Yes, let them enjoy so that we'll get one day a result. Because when I focus, when I listen, when I do my work in my whole heart, in my whole mind, in everything I have, I put effort, and you can see very soon you'll get results. You can see even they are mature lily. They mature. See, see how they cry, how they sound. Let's give them some times, like 1 week or 2 weeks. So I'll show you the eggs. Dress and have a good day. Let me end the video here. So guys, we'll meet maybe tomorrow in another episode. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.